Hello everybody and welcome to another video, and welcome to Chengdu, the capital of Sichuan province. I'm currently downtown in Tianfu Square. It's one of the main areas downtown, and today I just wanted to show you guys the subway system here in the city. Maybe you're planning to come here and you're curious how it works, or you just want to see what it's like. So let's go check it out. The subway system here in town is pretty modern, pretty straightforward. Most of the signs are in Chinese and English, so you shouldn't have too much of a problem. Alright, first thing to do is buy the ticket. I'm going to select English here, since I don't read Chinese very well. Select my line, select my stop. 4 kwai per ticket. I'm going to hit 1. I'm going to hit cash and insert my cash over here. One thing I don't like about Chengdu is you can't insert 1 kwai bills. You can only use 5s, 10s, 20s, and then it gives you change. So I got my change, that's important. And your one-use card. Next step is security. I'm not going to film going through there because they usually get suspicious, but you just throw your bag in an x-ray machine, walk through a metal detector. Next step after security, you're going to grab your single-use card here and just scan it. And make sure you hold on to this. You're going to need this when you get out of the subway. Next, you're going to want to find your line. Some stations just have one line, but this is one of the main stations, so there's a couple here. So I'm going to go on line 1. It's all in English, all color-coded. Figure out which direction you need to go. I'm going to head this way. Here's my train. Perfect timing. Again, everything in English. Push, shove.
本次列车终点站为5根松，上车的乘客请往车厢中部走。我的。
Final step is to exit the station. Just grab your card that you had from before, insert it in the slot, and you're good. That's it everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed the Chengdu Metro, and I'll see you guys next time.
本次列车终点站为5根松，上车的乘客请往车厢中部走。列车运行中，请站稳扶牢。前方到站，呼唤员。